BMW Motorrad is set to expand its Boxer lineup once again with the introduction of two new models, the R1300 RS and R1300 RT, scheduled for unveiling on April 29th. Both bikes will join the recently launched R1300 R and are expected to build upon the same innovative platform that debuted with the latest iteration of the R1300 GS. The R1300 R, launched just a few weeks ago, introduced a significant performance boost over its predecessor, the R1250 R. Thanks to a revamped Boxer twin-engine, the new R1300 R delivers an impressive 143 brake horsepower at 7750 RPM and 110 pound-feet of torque at 6500 RPM. It is anticipated that the upcoming RS and RT models will inherit the same powertrain configuration and performance figures. In line with the changes seen on the R1300 R and GS, both the RS and RT are also expected to benefit from a redesigned chassis. The traditional tubular steel frame has been replaced with a sheet metal mainframe, complemented by a bolt-on rear subframe constructed from cast aluminium. This modern structural update is aimed at enhancing both rigidity and weight distribution. Compared to the outgoing R1250 models, the R1300 variants deliver a gain of 9 brake horsepower, a performance increase that is expected to be mirrored in the new RS and RT versions. These upgrades will likely position the new models as the most powerful versions in their respective categories to date. Although official pricing has yet to be announced, the new R1300 RS and RT are expected to be competitively aligned with the R1300 R, which starts at £13,200. The SE variant of the R1300 R comes in at £15,500, while the version equipped with BMW's semi-automatic ASA gearbox is priced at £16,255. To put things into perspective, the R1300 R is notably cheaper than the GS model, which begins at £16,470. Test riders recently experienced the R1300 R with the premium option 719 package, which adds features like Aurelius green metallic paint, gold wheels, a comfort seat, and more, bringing the price up by £2,820. For riders seeking maximum performance and comfort, the dynamic package, offering an adaptive suspension and a quickshifter, can be added for an additional £1,660. Full specifications and final pricing for the R1300 RS and RT will be revealed during the official launch later this month.